Hello everyone. 11th Geography Unit 4. Lithosphere Exogenic Processes. First exercise, multiple choice questions. First question, which of the following is the chemical weathering process? Option C, carbonation. Rest 3 are physical weathering. In exfoliation and thermal expansion, temperature plays a major role. Exfoliation takes place in arid region, whereas thermal expansion both in arid and semi-arid region. Option B, frost wedging can be seen with this diagram, where water plays major role in weathering, plus temperature also acts here. In gaps, when water get filled, the temperature reduces, it freezes. Thereby it exerts pressure over the rock surfaces, which causes cracks to get propagated and disintegration of rock occurs. Second question, feldspar found in granite changing to clay is the most common example of option D, hydrolysis. Oxidation is similar to rusting of iron. The presence of iron in rock get rust as it reacts with oxygen and water, thereby disintegration occurs. Carbonation and solution both leads to the formation of caves. In hydration, minerals in the rock forms gypsum as it absorbs water. Third question, which district in Tamil Nadu has the highest frequency of landslides? Option A, Nilgiris. Fourth question, the swirling movement of the falling water into the plunge pool is called option D, eddying. Plunge pool and groove both can be seen at the base of waterfall. Fifth question, a winding curve or bend in a river. Option C, meander. And this meander over time forms Oxbow Lake. Floodplains is the land adjacent to river bank. In case of flood, the river overflows to these land and deposits sediments there. Levees is raised bed and banks due to flooding. As flooding occurs, it deposits sediments over the bank, which in turn raises the bank height. This we call levees. Sixth question, a bowed or curved delta with the convex margin facing the body of water is called as fan delta. Option A, arcuate delta. This is the arcuate delta, where you can see the convex is facing the water side. Example of arcuate delta is river Nile and Ganga. Bird's foot delta. The shape of the delta resembles a bird's foot, and this is formed by river Mississippi. Cuspate delta is formed by a single distributary, and it resembles the shape of tooth. River Tiber in Italy forms this kind of delta. Abandoned delta is when the river changes its flow direction, then it forms an abandoned delta. Example, Hooghly in India. And truncated delta is when sea waves or oceanic wave erode a part of delta, that is, it cut a part of delta due to erosion, then we call that as truncated delta. Seventh question, Kolidam river is a distributary of option D, Kaveri river. Eighth question, an amphitheater shaped hollow basin cut into a mountain ridge by glacier. Option B, creek. When two creek meets, it forms RT, and when U-shaped valley get submerged under coast, it is called fjord. If V-shaped valley gets submerged, it is called ria. Ninth question, the formation of irregular grooves and ridges when most of the surface of limestones are removed by solution process. Option A, lapis. Polygy forms when several sinkhole collapses together, and this also called blind valley. Nunataks are island in sea. That is, if a land is surrounded by land or mountain, anything, if it is surrounded by water on four sides, we call it as island. Same thing, if instead of water, ice is surrounded in all four sides, we call that as nunataks. 10th question, one among the given is formed when the arch is collapsed. Option A, stack. Thank you.